Introducing the LumyHealth 5D Rejuvenating Beauty Mask, a multi-spectrum LED light therapy mask designed to support clearer, brighter, and healthier-looking skin from the comfort of home. Featuring multiple light modes, adjustable brightness, and built-in near-infrared support, this mask makes professional-style light therapy simple and convenient. Step 1. Charging the device. After unboxing, connect the mask and a remote controller to the USB charging cable. Charge fully before first use. Once fully charged, disconnect the USB cable before operating the device. Step 2. Assemble the mask. Attach the adjustable head straps securely to the mask. Adjust the straps to ensure a comfortable and stable fit on your face. Step 3. Power on, manual control. Press and hold the power button located on the side of the mask to turn it on. Short press the same button to switch between different light colors. Step 4. Using the remote controller. Press and hold the remote control power button to turn it on. Press the M button repeatedly to cycle through light modes. R equals red light, B equals blue light, G equals green light, Y equals yellow light, RB equals purple light, red plus blue, BG equals cyan light, blue plus green, RBG equals white light, red plus blue plus green combined. NIR equals near infrared, can be switched on or off separately. Step 5. Adjust brightness. Press the E button to adjust brightness levels. 3 levels available. Low, medium, high. Step 6. Set treatment time. Press the T button to select session duration. 10/15/20/25/30 minutes. The device will automatically power off when the timer ends. Usage guidelines. Start with brightness level 1 to 2 to test skin tolerance. Recommended use, 3 to 4 times per week. Each session, 15 to 25 minutes.